Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a cute simple ruffle skirt like this one here. First, you have to measure around the widest part of your hips. Next, measure the desired length of the skirt from the waistline. Fold your fabric in half lengthwise, then fold it crosswise. Let's do some math. Take your hip measurement and add some ease. Divide that total by 6.28. This is your inner radius. Mark out a quarter circle with that inner radius. Add the desired length of the skirt plus your seam allowance. Mark out the outer circle and then connect the dots. Now it is time to pin along each edge and cut out the skirt. Once cut out, measure the circumference of the outer edge. This will determine the length of your ruffle. Take the outer circumference and multiply by 2. You will need to cut strips of fabric that when sewn together will produce a piece this long. I ended up requiring 4 strips. I chose to make them 10 centimeters long, but you can adjust the width to whatever length you want. Once the strips have been marked, it's time to cut them out. Time to sew the strips together. Make sure you mark the right and wrong side so that you don't end up with one seam facing out. Now it's time to gather. I ended up making one set of gather stitches per strip to make gathering a bit easier on my hands. Pin the gathered ruffles to the outer edge of the skirt. Make sure to adjust the ruffles where necessary. Then it's time to sew the ruffles to the skirt. I like to reinforce the seam with a serged seam. If you don't have a serger, you can reinforce the seam with a second normal seam. Now it's time to hem. I use a rolled hem with my serger, but you can do a regular hem as well. Don't forget to press your seam. I like to press the seam up towards the skirt. Take a thick elastic band and measure it to fit your waist. Sew the band together with some reinforcing stitches. Measure out the skirt to mark 4 points spaced out evenly along the waist. Pin the elastic to the skirt at those points. Using a stretch stitch, sew the elastic to the skirt. Make sure to stretch the waistband the entire way. Put it on and enjoy your new ruffle skirt. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.